Hello, my name is Mike Morin with Cutthroat Leader Company. This is going to be basically a quick description, little video on the benefits of using thread-furled leaders. These two leaders are in generic packaging just because I did not want to point to any specific manufacturer, because they're all basically the same when it comes to tapered monofilament, and this is a furled nylon and/or monofilament leader. Basically, we've all been there. Go to the store, you buy your leader, you open it up, and it's a coiled mess, such as this. You know, you go through the process of stretching it, straightening it, tugging on it, trying to get to the point that you can fly fish with it. The problem with having coils in a leader such as this is that energy travels through a straight line. There's not a whole lot of straightness shown here. So even when this is flying through the air, after it straightens out when you put pressure on it, but it has the memory built in. So therefore your casting is just not what it truly could be. So basically that is one problem with this is a standard tapered monofilament leader. Now this is a step up. This is one of the larger distributors of furled leaders on the market. But again, you open it out of the container, you go through the process of untangling it, and you have to do the same thing. Straighten it, tug on it, stretch it, try to uncoil it, and no matter what you do, and this one's been straightened already a few times now, it never fully loses the memory. And again, curves or kinks or memory in a leader equates to loss of energy. Bottom line, that's just the law of physics. So here is a thread furled leader, and you basically open it out of the package and it's just false. There's no memory whatsoever. There's no, as you can see, there's no memory built into the thread. It's soft, it's pliable, and a lot of people have a hard time understanding that soft, pliable thread can turn over a fly, but you would be absolutely amazed when you tie this on the end of your dry fly line what it will do. It basically, you apply floatant. We recommend Loon Payette paste to the leader. That increases the mass as well as the weight. They are great casting leaders in the wind for that reason. We offer two ends, one with a metal loop, which is really difficult to see in this video, and a shove loop that you can tie your tippet directly to. This makes tying tippet very easy. And then basically you tie on a length of tippet anywhere from 5 to 10 feet, depending on the size of the fly, the wind conditions, typical scenarios. But the presentation that you get with one of these thread leaders is just unmatched by anything out there. And you can just see why. Because every bit of energy from your cast goes through this leader to your tippet and ultimately to your fly, and put your fly where you want it, when you want it. And they just have to be tried to be understood. So basically, for a small investment, approximately $10, pick yourself up one of these thread furled leaders, tie it on, see if it increases not only your enjoyment, but your presentation will go through the roof as far as presentation for dry flies. It truly will be amazing. And the built-in tippet protection into the furled leader itself, you can use much finer tippet and land the same size fish that you normally do without worries of breaking off, because the thread has stretch, but as well as the woven furl process creates unbelievable stretch in the leader. So there you have it. If you're interested in any more information, just look us up, cutthroatleader.com. I'm always there to answer emails if you have questions, comments, anything such as that, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.